Good morning, Tiger family, and welcome to our first ever virtual honor roll assembly. 2020 has certainly been a year of firsts. The way we educate children and the way students learn has been drastically impacted. But despite the challenges, our students are resilient. They are hard workers. And so today we celebrate them. We stop to say, well done to our students. But today we also celebrate you, our parents, because our students could not have done this without you. We cannot do the work we do without your support. And so parents, we thank you for supporting our school and working with your children. We celebrate our teachers. We thank them for their dedication and their commitment to education. Together, parents, the school, the home, the students, the teachers, together, we are invincible. We're unstoppable. We're unshakable. We are tigers. And together we can do this. So again, thank you for your support. And we celebrate our students today. At this time, I would like to recognize those students that made the Principal Honor Roll. These students have A1As, A in academics, 1 in conduct, and A in effort. Again, that's because of you, our parents, and we thank you. So at this time, again, I will be recognizing those students that made the Principal Honor Roll. Beginning with first grade in Ms. Bellows' class, we have Ariana Wallace. In Mr. Capote's class, Julissa Jervis and Ramsey Uza. In Ms. Edwards' class, we have Aiden and Daniel John, Axel Elize, and Nevaeh Pettit. Congratulations to those first graders. In second grade, in Ms. Morrison's class, we have Derek Baker. In Ms. Davis' class, we have Izan Anzar. In Ms. Morrison's class again, we have Kelly Espirisanto. And in Ms. Bain's class, Emily Mondegier. Congratulations to those second graders. In third grade, in Ms. Lewis' class, Haley Lorenzo. In Ms. Perez's class, Giancarlo Chiluzzi. And Ms. Morrison's class, Aiden Lewis. Congratulations to those third graders. In fourth grade, in Ms. McCarthy's class, we have Kayla Marie Campos. In Ms. Lasser's class, Caleb Vertelis and Luciana Mar Vincent. Ms. Williams' class, we have Audrey Lyons. And in Ms. Sellers' class, we have Jade Mills Robinson. Congratulations to those fourth graders. In fifth grade, Ms. Argawal's class, we have Dorothy St. Martin. In Ms. Bryan's class, Paulsha Noel and Anelli Reyes. Congratulations, fifth graders. In seventh grade, we have in Ms. McFarley's class, Linda De Rosea, Emily Morales, Ariane Schwab. Congratulations to those seventh graders. And in eighth grade, we have Kiara Guzman. Congratulations to all those students that made the Principal Honor Roll. Keep up the good work. Thank you.
Good morning, Tigers. My name is Ms. Alba Nunez, and I am the proud Assistant Principal of Madie Ives K-8 Preparatory Academy. Today, I get the honor of presenting Superior Honor Roll Awards to our first through third grade students. In order to qualify for a Superior Honor Roll Award, our Tigers needed an academic average of a 3.6 with a combination of all A's and B's. They also needed to have a combination in effort of 1s and 2s and in conduct of A's and B's. Here we go. In Miss Nixon's class, congratulations to Michael Gonzalez, Marley Joaquin, Jeremy Snell, Prince St. Jacques, Charlie Thomas. Congratulations. In Miss Bellows' class, congratulations to Adeline Brinson, Joao Guedes, Brielle Sherfari, Caden Laster, Matthew Chiluzzi, Kayla Laster, Justin Darius, Kiana Lindor, Jayani Dauphin, Layla Maldonado, Shaden Griffiths, and Elizabeth Marty. Congratulations to all those children in Miss Bellows' class. Now for Mr. Capote's class. Julia Albuquerque, Skylar Brave, Shamar Dennis. And that's it for Mr. Capote's class. Congratulations, guys. Next class is Miss Morrison's class. Louis Castaneda, Malachi Petit Home, Denzel Dirks, Jaden Sterling, Adrian Escoto, Ada Williams, and Ariel Hill. Congratulations. Miss Davis's class, Mr. Oliver Melino. Good job, Oliver. In Miss Jenkins' class, we have Zaria Fenelon, Kenzie Norette, Christopher Nunez. Good job, guys. Miss Alvarez's class, Kayleen Irizarry and Chloe Seeley. In Miss Bain's class, we have Kenneth Cantarero, Nayla Desroche, Sophia Diaz Cruz, Benjamin Levy, and Zaiden Morrison. Great job, guys. Congratulations. Go Tigers!
Good morning. My name is Mr. Rivette, and I am the assistant principal here at Madie Ives K-8 Preparatory Academy. And I am proud to present the Superior Honor Roll for 4th grade up through 8. In Ms. Barbie McCarthy's class, we have Journey Brown, London Cherifilis, we have Zion Garcia, Andrew Jones, Juliet Romeo, we have Ariane Rodnick, Joshua Cito. In Ms. Lester's class, we have the following students: Austin Aribon, Julie Barrett, Isabella Joseph, Jaden Sullivan. In Ms. Clinch's class, we have Gabriella Julian Meldon, Jemiah Henley, Jaleesa Pierre, Kevin Ray. Miss Williams' class, we have Jaden Cooper, Tyler Pierre Lewis. In Miss Lester's class, we have Jaden Celestin, Gael Desalis, Cameron Valson. In Miss Jordan's class, Navari Edwards Hivery. We have Randy Prosper. In 5th grade, Miss Agro class, we have Aiden Charlotte, Ayana Howard, Natalia Dominguez, Jordan Lester, Giselle Demorangi, Anaya Sashigi, Layla Cooper, Nicole Salazar. In Ms. Damastini's class, we have Mahana Burris, Gabez Lalo, Bria Narcis, Juan Nunez, Joven Sales, Caden Schwartz. In Ms. Bryan's class, we have Eunice Absalom, we have Sarah Augustin, Linda Barley, Malachi Huggins, Jay Morris. Miss Lois' class, we have Natalia Herrera, Ryan Prosper, Ariel St. Louis. 6th grade Superior Honor Roll. In Miss Joseph class, we have Jenny Fizame. 7th grade, in Miss Taylor class, Rodriguez Gianna. Miss McFarland's class, Denzel Augustine. Miss Pratt Harvey's class, Stacy Joseph, Rami Kwaza. 8th grade, we have Napoleon Joseph, Chelsea Morgan. In Miss Luke class, we have Max Anthony Fizames, we have Fendi Manolis. These are the Superior Honor Rolls for 4th grade through 8th grade. You deserve it all, students. And parents and stakeholders, I want to take the time to congratulate you, to express my sincere appreciation, heartfelt appreciation for what you do daily, especially in this pandemic stage. We thank you for your support. We thank you for your effort. And students, you have adapted. You are showing strength and resilience through this difficult time, and you are getting up and you are doing what you're supposed to do. On behalf of the administrative staff, particularly Ms. Brenson, I want to thank you. Thank you for what you do, and let's go Tiger.